In business news, we start from Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, where leaders of two of Nigeria's major professional bodies, the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, CITN, and the Association of National Accountants of Nigeria, ANAN, have renewed calls for greater collaboration in implementing the country's ongoing fiscal reforms. This comes as Nigeria pushes ahead with major changes in its economic and tax policies. TVC News' Miriam Daniels reports.
At a time when Nigeria is facing one of its boldest fiscal reforms in decades, two major financial institutions are saying one thing clearly, that reforms cannot succeed without professionals. At the 5th Joint Council retreat between CITN and ANAN, CITN President Innocent Ohagwa says the success of the federal government's economic reforms depends on strategic partnerships between professionals and policymakers.
We converge at the time when Nigeria is undergoing ambitious fiscal and economic reform, which are both commendable and transformational to the country. Therefore, the team implementing fiscal reforms in Nigeria, strengthening strategy, institutional synergy and professional excellence provide the right framework to discuss the fiscal journey of our country.
We must not only reflect, we must resolve to activate our joint communique. We must create a permanent joint technical working group. We must engage more actively with government, the legislatures, and development partners, not as critics, but as collaborators.
Declaring the retreat open, the Auditor General of Akwa Ibom State says there is no better time than now for institutions like this to come together and help shape fiscal governance.
I have no doubt in my mind, looking at the impressive expertise gathered here, that this retreat will surely result in exciting exchange of ideas and explore potential opportunities to further strengthen fiscal reforms in Nigeria.
Nigeria today stands at the threshold of critical economic transformation. At the heart of this transformation lies an urgent need to diversify government revenue, strengthen institutions, and drive accountability and transparency in public finance management.
With Nigeria's fiscal space under pressure and public confidence hanging in the balance, tax and accounting professionals say collaboration, not competition, may be the country's best bet for translating reform into real results. Miriam Daniels, TVC News, Uyo, Akwa Ibom State.